Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a review about this 70mai Dash Cam, and it all boils down to me trying to find a review on YouTube and not been successful at all. It's been a pain in the neck, and all the reviews I see, as you can see here, is in Indian or Russian or in any other language which I don't understand except for English. So I bit the bullet. I just bought one anyway, and it looked pretty good. It's got 1080p on the front camera, and the back rear end camera is 720p. So here goes. Let me check here. I guess additional 100 over ringgit type of thing. So maybe 20 US dollars extra. It's actually quite a really good value for money. And yeah, so let's get to it. I think this is something interesting. So very simply, we just have a look at this. This is the back of it. 70mai. They call it mid-drive RC03. It's 720p. And what is it? What it is it's just a camera. Reverse camera. And I'm gonna install this in the front portion of her grab car. So it records people inside. And the reason being is it's not about spying on people and stuff like that. It's about riders who feel they have every right to abuse the driver, and you ask yourself, what do I mean by that? It's worrying. The other day she came back and she told me, a passenger asked her to pick up six people, two of them are young kids, and her car doesn't have a safety seat, and it affects her because they will rate her as 1 star, and then she's got to do catch up on that 1 star. The review stuff similar to Yelp and everything. So this type of product, I think, would really help her in contesting to grab on those poor reviews when they're unjust. And I think it's good. It just builds confidence, and of course the safety and security is there. But this is something I feel is very important. Is great driver awareness. So now, I highly recommend it. You better record your drives, accidents and stuff. This is actually supposed to connect to the fuse box for the reverse fuse or something like that. But I'm not going to use this. When I install this, it's just be camera driven. And yeah, so let's have a look at this. I opened this before and I needed to test it just in case it's not working or something. So this is the 70mai Rearview Mirror Dash Cam. So 70mai Rearview Mirror Dash Cam. I will have that posted with this title, and you can find it easily. And I'm really fed up trying to look for reviews. So actually, I discovered Taobao, which is like the Amazon of China. The stuff is so cheap, and we're renovating our house. So stay tuned. We're gonna have heaps of stuff coming in. I'll be buying dishwashers and stuff like that, so stay tuned for the reviews. You can't find any of the reviews online. I'm buying air cons as well. 1.5 horsepower. I think you take them and it's 1,004. It's dirt cheap. You control it from your phone and stuff like that. So a lot of people complain and are worried about the quality of items in China, and this is not the case. It's built. Listen to that. It's really good. It's good quality plastic. The clip-on thing is remarkable. It's the two clips here, and you just take this. Da-da, 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 da-da. And there you go. You take it out. Here's the goodie bag. All this stuff. This is to pry. You're supposed to pry open a pillar, and after that, when you pry the pillar, you've got this cable, and you apply the cable the whole way, following the pillar down. So you insert this and you pry it and you shove this thing in, and then so they can become concealed. So I won't use this today. I'm gonna connect it. Comes with a nice power adapter thing. So everything's pretty complete. I think this is a hook. This is a hook for cables. Yeah. So I'm just gonna show you the features and what it is, and I'm gonna plug it up to a power bank, because right now I don't have a direct power port here, and I think I need one. Oh no, this is a problem. And we are back. So here we have, you can see the camera is mounted here. This is for the front view of the camera. And the SD card goes here. It's a push-in micro SD. Nothing's fancy here. Chuck in your SD card. And here is the power adapter. I think this is some type of service port, and this port is for the reverse camera. So the funny thing is, I was trying to get this to work for a bit, and I just realized you just got to wiggle the cable a bit, and then it'll activate itself. So this is something quite iffy, but when it works well. So let me get this cable done. So let's plug it up, plug it up. And here you have it here, plug it in. Hopefully this thing's charged, it is. There you go, there's power. Oh, RGB, can't get enough of RGB, right? And there you go, it's loaded. Amazing. And the best part about this thing is, you know, it's in English. And, you know, when it's in English, it helps a lot. A lot of this China stuff is not in English. And, you can have a look here. Can you see it? Let me see if we can. But anyway, the screen's like this. Oh, let's see if I switch off. Can you see it better? Oh, there you go. You can see it better, right? Okay. So that's the screen, right? And the control modules are here, right here. So now it records live once you run it. And then everything is here, so you can switch it off, switch it back on. And this is a mic recording function. You can record the mic. And the interface is built here as well, so you can press it here. And there you go, you know, you can record, look at your gallery and stuff from here about maybe you want to see. And the interesting thing about this product is it's got a parking feature, so when your car's switched off, it can keep running and keep recording and, you know, record what's happening around your car even when your car is parked. So this is the menu for the settings. Notice that it does have a Wi-Fi hotspot menu, which is quite cool, and that allows you to communicate with the device through your phone. And you see here it's got collision sensitivity and stuff like that. So this is like it's got some sensor stuff. I think, what do they call it? They term it as you know, it's got forward warning, collision control, and lane departure warning. That type of stuff. I don't think is as good as the car maker's stuff. It's not that much better, but you know, it's better than not having it, and then you know, you can't complain. The best part is, you know, this front camera here is full HD. It's 1080p, so it's pretty cool. Just like, you know, you move it around. So you got that here. So let's go down. We're in focus. Can you see it? Yes, you can. You can see most of it. Oh well, what to do? Turn down. Format the SD card. The time. This is system time. Screen time off, advanced setting, and then the software update and about. So I think the only menu you want to see here is the advanced setting. Nothing much. When you power it on, does it switch on the Wi-Fi? What type of video mode it is? WDR is actually the driver assist stuff, where it can detect your lane departure and then a forward warning collision. I think maybe back warning collision too, if I'm not mistaken. That's something you have to look at. Very self-explanatory. This is the streaming for if you're going to stream it out. The volume of the speaker, power on sound, parking surveillance. It's actually when your car's parked, how long it's going to record and whether it wants to record or not. Yeah.
Can I talk?
Yeah, what is it? So you can see the menu better here, and the menu has a backup function and stuff like that. I really don't know what to do with that, but the important one is this. This is actually the backup camera, so pay attention to this, guys. When I plug in this baby, plug in the camera, plug in this camera, this bugger. It's very simple. You know, you can imagine it yourself. Oh, the best part is this tape at the back. You can tape it up, you can screw it in. And you plug it up here. You can see that here. It should see. Go down. Go down. Okay, yeah. So you see here, it's got the P and it's got the lane departure. So that means that the camera is working. So let's say we look up in the ceiling, look at the battery. Yeah, hello. So you can, what you can see here, the system time is the factory time. Please change. Okay, yeah, whatever. I'm gonna link this up and let's see it go. So you get the Wi-Fi on here. Can you see? Get the Wi-Fi on. There you guys see 70mai whatever password. So technically now, if you're near the car, you know the password to access this. You can probably access the photos, I guess, you know, and see the way a person drives. Wouldn't recommend it though. The app is called what? I think it's 70mai app. The 70mai app, white color, white and black. And we're gonna link it in and yeah, done. So I can see stuff. Okay, so now what's happened is it'll sync the time, and that should fix the issue. Done. So if I switch it off, and it will tell me that it's disconnected. There you go. And you can see the screen's working now, and I want to show you the reverse camera because I know you guys are eager to see, you know, how the reverse camera looks and whether, you know, it's feasible or not. It's 100% understandable. So you can see the camera. This is 108p. Yeah, you can. It's pretty good. I can't really complain. Right? It's at that price you buy. Come on, guys. At that price, what else you want? What else you want at that price? So you plug this battery.
Detected an available backup camera.
Yeah, that. Yep, it's installed, and the available backup camera is installed. And what you can see here, don't know what I want you guys to see. It's a mess here. It's a mess. It's a real mess. And everything's moving. So let me see what you want to see. So we go into this back. You go into the app. You can, I suppose you can go into here, right? You can go into here. Everyone wants to see this thing here. You go into the device. Yeah, don't forget to switch on the Wi-Fi, guys. There you go. It's enabled. Disenabled. Go to the Wi-Fi. Connect to 70mai. And then go to the app. Connect. I think we're in. Okay, there you go. Then it loads up. That's my finger.
Shawline stops recording.
Yeah, I know. Then packing. Rearview. It was working the last time. Where is it? Okay. You know, it records. I know it records because I had it record. So this.
Shawline stops recording.
Looking for event. Rearview. Ah, there you go. Normal. Yeah, that stupid thing. So you can see it here. It records. It's in 70p. You can't really complain. Oh, that's not the one I want you to see. That looks weird. That's here. Yeah, it works. It works. They can see. Yeah, it works. It works. It's looking at the plants in my room. Looking at the plants. So there you go. It's done. Maybe I'll upload some footage of how it works and see the video quality, whether you like it or not. And that's a very, very, you know, it's a very simple product. I believe it works very well. All in, I spent around about under $100 US. You know, you get 2 cameras. It looks good. It's easy to install. I mean, what else you want? It's from China, right? And right now, the quality of the build is fantastic. It's waterproof. Yeah, that sounds good. Nice and solid. Can't complain. You know, of course on the higher side. But if anyone drives Grab or Uber or something like that, I think it's a great device to record. So that's that for today. I'll catch up with you guys soon. Ciao. Bye bye.